Sometimes when building a desktop PC, no matter what fan you choose to go with, you're going to get a lot of case noise, which is the vibration coming from the fan blades itself, transferring into the frame of the fan, and then moving into the case, which is usually metal. Now I've got these rubber cylinders, which I've taken from a hard drive caddy, and I'm going to place them in between where the frame of the fan mounts to the case. And these rubber cylinders are going to act as a dampening for the sound, kind of absorb a lot of that vibration, which is going to give me quieter fans and an overall quieter case.